Hello guys, today to taste my very transparent ice cube, we make together Mojito after the intro. We need the mint, 2 tablespoons of white sugar. You can use the brown sugar if you prefer. I'm using the white sugar because I want my cocktail very clear to show you the ice. After we need a lime, 20 ml of juice. We put with the mint and the sugar and we smash a little bit more. Now we add the white rum, 45 milliliter. We stir a little bit. We need the ice. I will use my spectacular ice. Inside the ice I put the mint and the lime. We put directly our cocktail with the ice and we complete with the soda, 40 milliliter. You can also use tonic water. Spectacular, perfect for a sunset. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have some requests, if you know some special cocktail that you want to share with us, always down in the comments. Bye bye.